Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Vskills channel. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world and its popularity is increasing every day. Being an expert Python programmer requires a set of skills that go beyond just knowing the language syntax. So in this video, we'll explore some essential skills that are required to become an expert Python programmer. At first comes understanding of basic programming concepts. So before you start learning Python, it's important to have a solid understanding of basic programming concepts such as data types, variables, loops, conditional statements, and functions. Having a strong foundation in these concepts will help you understand Python's syntax and features much more easily. At second comes the knowledge of data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are essential concepts in computer science and are critical to becoming an expert Python programmer as well. You should be familiar with various data structures like arrays, lists, and sets and understand the basic algorithms which are used to manipulate them. Knowing how to analyze and optimize algorithms can also help you in writing the code much more efficiently. At number third comes familiarity with Python libraries and frameworks. So basically Python has a rich set of libraries and frameworks that make it easier to build applications quickly and efficiently. Some of the most popular libraries and frameworks include Pandas, Matplotlib, Flask, and TensorFlow. Having knowledge of these libraries and frameworks will help you write Python code much more faster and more efficiently as well. At number 4 comes knowledge of database concepts and SQL. Most applications require some form of data storage and knowing how to work with databases is crucial for an expert Python programmer. You should be familiar with database concepts such as tables, columns, and rows and know how to write SQL queries to manipulate data. At number 5 comes experience with version control systems. Version control systems such as GIT are essential tools for modern software development. So knowing how to use GIT and other version control systems will help you collaborate with other programmers and manage your code base and also track changes to your code. At number 6 comes the ability to write clean and efficient code. So writing clean and efficient code is really crucial for an expert Python programmer. Your code should be easy to read, maintain, and scale. You should also know how to write efficient code that executes quickly and uses minimal resources as well. Coming on to our last and 7th point, which is strong problem-solving skills. Yes, as a Python programmer, you will encounter a variety of problems and would require creative solutions to those. Having strong problem-solving skills is essential for an expert Python programmer, and you should be able to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces and know how to use the features of Python in order to solve them efficiently. By developing these skills, you will be able to become an expert Python programmer. So what are you waiting for? Start your preparation with Vskills certification.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.